This is our new viewneo Diwa. It's a digital board for the screen, and for the restaurants you can place it on the table and you can push content either through our CMS or also through a companion app on the iPad. So if you're really good at hand drawing, you can just write whatever you want to have on here. Could be a reservation, could be a personalized greeting. Maybe you have a couple that wants to get married in your restaurant, so you could leave a personal note on here. And at the same time, even maybe, for example, you run more than one restaurant, you have the ability to push content centralized over the whole network. What's also cool about it, since we're using the e-paper technology, it runs on really low energy, so you only need energy when the content changes on here. So this is a really long life product. You have to recharge it only maybe every 2 months, for example, and this way you ensure that you always have nice content. At the same time, since we use this e-paper technology, it looks like a chalkboard. So people don't get disturbed by the technology. It's a really soft integration while it's standing on the table. And that's our newest, coolest feature.